How to track your order page in Shopify. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add your fully functional order tracking page to your Shopify store without using any paid apps. This method is 100% free and works using small snip of HTML code. Whether you are just starting out or you're looking to make your store more professional, this tutorial is perfect for you. Now, there are two ways to add tracking in Shopify. You can install Shopify app, but most of those are free only for the first few orders. Or you can create your own custom tracking page using HTML code, which is what I will show you today in this today's video. This will allows customer to enter their tracking number directly on your store and see their shipping updates in real time. First of all, what you have to do is just simply log in into Shopify with your Google account or email, and after that it will show something like this. This is my new account. So yeah, now after on the left hand menu, click on the online store and it will redirect you to theme. So if you see in the theme, you will get to see this page in the second number. Now just simply click on the page, and now over here what you have to do is just simply click on the add page. Now in the add page you have to give a title like customer order tracking. Now in the paragraph, if the content, you will get to see in the right size there is a shown HTML. Just simply click on there. So uh, before basically this is where we will create the new page that customer will use to track their order. Now before pasting any code, click on this icon, and in you can see there is an editor where you can paste your code. Now it looks like this. Now this tells Shopify to treat what we paste as a code, not plain text. Now let's paste our tracking script. I will give you in the description. So I have successfully added the code in this editor. Now after pasting the code, what you have to do, in the right size in the bottom you can see there is an option of save. Just simply click on. So that's it. You know how have dedicated order tracking page. You can visit it. Now if you want to see a preview, just simply click on the preview. So okay, as you can see here, something will look like this. Here you have to enter the tracking number, so it will track. If you go into preview, just simply click on the preview on the right side top, and something will look like this. Now customer order tracking, as we have given the title, you have to enter your tracking number here to see your order status. So now let's make easy for customer to find this page. Now what you have to do is go back to your Shopify dashboard. The If you see in the left side, you will get to see this online store. Just simply click over here, but there is no option of navigation. If you have, just simply click on the navigation, but in my case there is no option of navigation. So what I will do, I will just simply go in the content, go into menus. In the menus, click on the main menus, and something will pop up like this. Now click on add menus, give a label, just customer tracking, and search or paste link here. So click on the pages and then customer tracking. Now hit click on the save. Now this customer tracking option will be saved. See on you can able to see this customer tracking option in your main theme. Just simply go in online store to see. Just simply click on the preview. Now as you can see it, there we go, we have our customer tracking menu. Now let's just add the link to your Shopee shipping confirmation email. To make things even smoother for your customer, we can include the order tracking link directly in the email they get when their order is shipped. Now what you have to do is just simply go back into Shopify dashboard, and in the left side you will get to see this setting option. Just simply click over here, and from the setting you have to choose notification. Now scroll down and look for shipping confirmation. So now click on the customer notification and scroll down a little bit. Scroll down and go to shipping updates. Click on the shipping updates. As you can see here, now over here we have to enter our second code. In order to enter that, what you have to do is just simply click on the edit code, and in the Shopify scroll down a little bit, and you will get to see this second code. I will put in description. Now paste it over here. So now you have to change the link of your URL. Now over here you will need to change the part of the code where it says your store URL to actual Shopify store URL and the exact path to your tracking page. Now as you can see here, there is an example as well. Now just go back into your Shopify store, this one, okay, this one, just copy the code and paste it over here. Now simply paste it. Now as you can see here, we have successfully pasted, and click Ctrl S, so it will save the code, I think. Now let's review this page. So this is the as you can see here, your order is on the way. Good news, we have just shipped your order. You can copy track number below and enter the order tracking page, your delivery status. Now just simply copy that number, and the user can paste it over here and he can track his order. So once you have done that, copy the save it all, and let's go back into Shopify store and click on the online, click on the theme, and let's see a preview. So just simply click on the customer tracking. So whenever someone purchases my product, so it will send automatic email of his order tracking number, so that number can use to track his order. So that's it. This is how you can add a tracking option into the Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.